Hey internet, so the code is in the pinned comment. This is an ideal gas calculator. So basically it's just me learning how to use the if statement. So let's run it and I will show you how it works and explain how it works. So you got your option. So which variable do you want to choose to calculate? So you got pressure, mass, molar mass, your gas constant, your temperature, or your volume. So normally you would never need to figure out your gas constant because it's always in your table, but I just put it there because the off chance that you want to. Okay, so if we press 1, is N known, so that's your number of moles. So we're going to say no. So is the density known? So if you don't know your density, that's okay. So that the reason why I have these two questions is because sometimes they give you the number of moles, so you can bypass a step. Sometimes they give you density and you gotta convert it to mass, so we're gonna say no. So mass, let's just put in some random numbers. Molar mass. So I remember this one because I was doing it earlier. So let me know down below which element this is. Let's say that volume this. So okay, cool. So that works for pressure. So let's try a different one. Let's try volume. So it'll just ask you for the other variables. So we're trying to work out volume, and in this case we're gonna pick our, so we already put in our volume as 0.2, so that's our check, right? So we know it's going to be 0.2. So let's check if the calculator works out. So we're going to type in exactly what they typed in. Can I copy and paste this? Let us try and copy and paste. Okay. Cool. So our mass was 0.1. Our molar mass is 4.003. And our gas constant 0.006, nope, 769. And our temperature is going to be 337. So we should end up with a volume of 0.2. 0.2. So the math, it checks out. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. You can also find this code on GitHub, which is in the description. Leave a comment if this was helpful. It was just mainly me practicing using if and else if statements. Until next time, see ya.